How to fix looks like another app is blocking access to Google Play. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's video we will simply learn how we can fix if Google Play Store says that another app is blocking access to it. Now sometimes what happens is that whenever you open the Play Store and maybe you're trying to download something, maybe you're trying to open it up and it simply says that another app is blocking access. This could be happening due to multiple reasons. So first what we will do is we will just long press on the Play Store icon over here, and then we will see this I button which you can see on the top. So just go ahead and tap on the I icon and it will take us to the app info page of Google Play Store. Now alternatively, you can also access this page by going to settings, apps, and then finding Google Play Store. Once you find Google Play Store, first of all just come to the storage tab and the clear cache, and also try to clear the data. Once you clear the data as well, what you can do is from here just tap on the three dots on the top right hand side and choose the option called Uninstall Updates. So if you recently installed your Google Play Store to the latest version, or maybe you updated your phone, sometime uninstalling and reinstalling the updates is most likely going to solve that problem. So also try to uninstall the updates. You will have this option because the Google Play Store came with the stock Android version. You didn't download it from elsewhere, so you have to find this option as well. And then after you find this option, what you can actually try to do is to simply go ahead and then press the power buttons as well as the volume buttons together. Depending upon the key combinations for your device, I want you to go ahead and simply restart your Android phone as well. So just go ahead and restart it and then see if that fixes the issue. If not, also try to switch between your networks. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular. If you're switching to cellular, try to use Wi-Fi, and just try to do the vice versa. And hopefully one of these may have definitely solved your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.